SMCI and NVIDIA are currently trending. This is Monday, the 22nd of September 2025. SMCI up 2.47%. NVIDIA is up about 3.74%. Okay, let's see what's going on. So, NVIDIA is trending as investors discuss the company's deepening partnership with NVIDIA, highlighted by the company's unveiling of new AI servers. Community members are focused on the potential for SMCI to capitalize on the increasing demand for AI infrastructure, particularly related to data center buildouts. Recent news regarding NVIDIA's investment in OpenAI, involving a $100 billion investment to build a 10 gigawatts AI network, sparked excitement and debate among investors. While some see this was size, while some saw that as a stunningly bullish for the AI industry and Nvidia's growth, others expressed concern about the return on investments and question whether the market is overhyping the news. Okay, so yes, that's what's going on with the two stocks. They're trending because of that 100 billion contract that they seem to be going into $100 billion investment to build out a 10 gigawatt AI network. So intraday high for SMCI $48.53. Underlying trend is still bullish. Okay, so however, the extrapolation is saying that we are going to see a slight contraction. The stock has been expanding since Tuesday the 9th of okay, maybe Monday the 8th of September. Yeah, it's been expanding, and so that's the contraction of that expansion is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday the 1st of October. Yeah, and then after that we might resume the uptrend. It may just continue to cycle to the upside. No guarantee that will be the case. Price pressure momentum projections, we have 46.08. It's a downward projection. Um, $48. So a slight upward projection, as this was as of Friday the 5th of September. As of Friday the 29th of August, they had 48.20, 64.62, 73.52, 79.02. Price pressure momentums are strong, they're robustly bullish. Let's see, we have some of it. We have been able to break down some things concerning SMCI. Let's see. Okay, so market grid analysis. As of the time we picked up that data, yeah, I think it's still very much intact. So the RXT value is 47.34. Immediate resistance as things stand right now. 46.98 strong resistance zone. It has surpassed all of these. So the stock is right on the edge of its market grid, indicating that there's a good chance it may continue to do so. However, the algos, as we saw earlier on, is saying that it might pull back. Naturally, this is what happens when it gets to the when it exceeds or is about to exceed the RXT value or breakout through the channel. It may continue to print. The probability of it, it has the momentum, and that's the momentum took it there. So there's a good chance that momentum will also remain. That's the thing. However, usually they will it's expected to trade within the grid. So the machines, the algos, the bots are watching. If it's outside of the grid, then they may want to put it back. And how do they do that? By selling. Probably that's why the algos here are saying that it's going to contract. That's why it's projecting a contraction, amongst other things. Okay, so probabilities of we have probabilities here. Okay, well, we have probabilities here. 25% probability of it breaking through 47.35. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is the base of the support for 4.29, 30% extended support. Okay, trade setups, long bias, 65%. Entry will be 45 to 40, 45.45 to 45.80. Okay, so the rationale is the stronger price pressure momentum on the 10 and 21 day moving averages, and they suggest a continued short term momentum. High volume confirms institutional interest. Okay, long term trade setup will be 4 to 8 weeks. Entry, okay, 44.5 to $46 range. Okay, so risk factors and probabilities. 44.29, 30% probability targets. Okay, yeah. Bullish catalysts, breakout above 48.53 with volume, 25% probability. Open spot to $50, $50 plus. Price pressure momentum turning positive, medium term trend reversal. Okay, sector rotation into techware. That's what it may imply, or that will be a bullish catalyst. Okay, so conclusion: SMCI shows a strong short-term momentum with the PPM1 and PPM2 in trend mode, but faces medium-term resistance from negative. Yeah, the 40-day moving average. The positions open then are a bit. They are not doing so well at the moment. Yeah, yeah. There's been some. They're not doing so well. They can see the trend is negative. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The market grid suggests trading range between 44.29 and 47.34 with high probability moves toward the support levels. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's just like this is like this extrapolation is saying. It's saying a contraction, and then Claude is also sort of validating that. Okay. So preferred strategy: scaling to long positions on pullbacks to 45.45 to 45.80. Okay, while building long-term positions around $45 for potential broker above 48.5 to $50. Okay, so okay, let's have a look and see what's going on with NVIDIA. NVIDIA, let's see, up 3.65% intraday high, 184.55. Okay, so just like okay, well here I think it's saying strength will remain in place up till Wednesday, then it will consolidate up till Monday the 29th, and then there might be a contraction. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 185.72, 189.42, and indeed 179.74. A downward projection. Price pressure momentums are robustly positive. Okay, they are okay. Only the 10-day moving average is trending. The 21-day moving average is not trending yet, and they have three out of the four derivatives are negative. So the stock has been facing some resistance. Hasn't The strength it's showing is not so wonderful yet, not so fantastic as such. Yeah, okay. So see what you make of these two stocks, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.